Hi there, today we're going to be assembling a Greenworks 2000 PSI pressure washer. Opening up the box, taking out all the parts here, show you what's in here, instructions, the wand, the end of the wand, then there's the trigger piece, the gun. Got your mounting piece with your tips in it. There's your plastic mounting gear and then the metal bolts and everything. Got your handle, your hose. I actually like that braided hose. Here's a little tool to help unclog it. Some sturdy wheels and power cable, and then the motor and everything's all kind of built in together. My other wheel was actually under. First you take this bolt, put it through the wheel. You're going to add a washer on either side of this metal mounting bracket here. Other washer, and then the pin goes in that hole. You got the other wheel, you're going to do the same way. Bolt goes through, washer into the side, the other washer, and the pin. Very simple to piece together. Now we're going to mount this. You can see these plastic tips here go through the holes in either side of the frame. They just they don't snap in, but they kind of pop in. They're kind of tight. A little pressure, you get them in pretty easily. You can see I had a little trouble with that one. Now we're going to put these screws in. There's 4 screws, all the same size. Just get them started here, and then I come back with my screwdriver and tighten them all down. They were a little tight, which was good. You're threading it into that hard plastic, so I think it probably had to thread its own hole. Now we're going to mount the wand holder. There's another hole, and then there's a sleeve, so the little ear goes into the hole, and then you're going to put your screw in through the other hole. This is the only bolt that looks like this. Tighten that down. Now on the other side, you've got your hose holder. There's a bolt that has a washer, and that screws on there. Now we're going to mount the handle. Very simple, just pop the little retention pins there and slide the whole thing down. Now the wand, that plastic piece, it has metal inside of it, and it just tightens on. There's on either side of the hose, you can see that O-ring, so you're not tightening it enough to keep water out. That O-ring takes care of that. Then you mount the other end of the hose to the pump. Same thing there. It has an O-ring, so don't over tighten. And that's about it. You have your tips there. You have one more piece, and that's this holder here for the hose or the wire. Those pieces go in like that, and then that piece kind of clamps them in and holds them tight. And you're all done. Thanks for watching. I've really enjoyed this pressure washer. It works really well for cleaning the siding off on my house, as well as spraying off my car, washing the car and stuff like that. It's been a really great washer, lots of pressure, and works really well. Fast startup, builds pressure quickly. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe if it was helpful, and have a great rest of your day.